Traveling alone is not just a journey, it's a path to self discovery. As Mark Twain once said, 20 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Today, we're unlocking the secret to unforgettable solo travel experiences. Get ready to embark on a transformative adventure as we reveal the top solo travel tips that will change the way you see the world. Number 1. Embrace the freedom. Traveling alone means you have the freedom to shape your journey exactly the way you want. Embrace this newfound freedom by being spontaneous and open to new experiences. Take that unplanned detour, discover hidden gems, and let the thrill of the unknown guide you. Number 2. Connect with locals. Locals are the gateway to authentic experiences. Engage with them, learn about their culture, and seek their recommendations. You'll be amazed at the hidden treasures and insider tips they share, making your solo adventure all the more enriching. Number 3. Trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is your best travel companion. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to change your plans or seek help. Trusting your instincts keeps you safe and confident on your solo journey. Number 4. Pack light, pack right. Traveling solo means you're responsible for your luggage. Pack light to avoid unnecessary burdens and make room for unique souvenirs. Remember, you can buy essentials on the road if needed. Number 5. Capture memories and reflections. Document your experiences and reflections in a travel journal or through photography. These memories become cherished souvenirs. So, there you have it, the top solo travel tips to make your adventures extraordinary. If you enjoyed these valuable tips, don't miss out on more exciting content. Like and subscribe to our channel at Travel Savvy Tips and join our vibrant community of travel enthusiasts.